Welcome my friends to my Shri Super Garden, and today I'm making a video upon the beautiful bromeliads or epiphytes. Now first explain you what are epiphytes. Epiphytes are those plants which grow on the branches of the tree, and the nutrition it derives from the tree bark and other organic material, and produces very beautiful flowers. So the natural habitat of these beautiful bromeliads, epiphytes, the natural habitat that they grow on tropical rainforest plant, they are under the canopy of trees, the shade of the trees. They receive indirect sunlight and the water requirement, the rain that falls upon them. So they derive the water requirement from these rains, and I'm going to show you how I am growing these beautiful bromeliads epiphytes. So first let me introduce some of the epiphytic plants that grow in tropical rainforest. So this is one of them. This is the second one, and this is the third one, and this is the fourth one. So first of all, I am going to tell you about the light requirement for this plant. These beautiful plants grows under the shade of the trees. They receive indirect sunlight and grow properly. So this is about the sunlight requirement and about the water requirement. So you apply water when the top level of the potting mix becomes dry, keeping on that the soil is moist, because they grow in a hot and humid climate. Now let me tell you about the growth period of this plant, flowering period of this plant. So I am making this video in the last week of October 2024, and you can see the flower coming out. Only one flower that is coming out. So they produces beautiful flower. And regarding the potting mix, so I have made the potting mix, soilless potting mix, and this is the potting mix that I have made for these beautiful bromeliads epiphytes. So I have taken coconut chips, as you can see, the coconut chips. Then the second ingredient is the perlite. Then the third ingredient is the rice husk or rice hull. Then the fourth ingredient is the leaf compost or vermicompost if you have, and then vermiculite. So these are all the ingredients of the potting mix. So you can make it. It is a soilless potting mix. So before potting a plant, you take a smaller pot, because you can see the size of the pot that I have placed this beautiful epiphytes. And I have potted this plant a week back, and I was astonished to see the flower coming out from this beautiful bromeliad. So that's all about the potting mix, and I'm showing you the status of this potting mix for the close-up view in the pot, and you can see the soil is moist, the potting mixture is moist, and one ingredient I haven't told you, that's a small amount of coco peat is also there, so they retain the moisture and provide the moisture to this plant. So this is all about the epiphytic plants, the bromeliads, and there are so many varieties of bromeliads, and their flowering is also very different from the other bromeliads. So keep growing this beautiful plant. And regarding the nutrition providing to the plant, so I have added leaf compost, and afterwards when the plant is fully established, because I told you that I have potted this plant a week later, so when these plants are fully established, then only leaf compost I will be adding. So thank you my friends for watching my video. These are the beautiful gift of nature grown in tropical rainforest on the branches of the tree, and I will create a tree epiphytes. That is, I have a branch of mango tree that has been cut off from the mango, and I will place it and give the same treatment as it is treated in the tropical rainforest. So thank you my friends for watching my video, and the motivation and the purpose of making this video